Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Mini Cooper S. I just drove a 22 two-door. Now I'm in a 23 four-door. Ooh, lost a screw. I'll have to make do with that. Absolutely awesome car. Let me see. I should have a spare screw here. That should work. Let me see. Bingo. Looks absolutely awesome. These things are so much fun to drive. I do love the blacked out badges. We have a copy of the original Monroney, however you want to pronounce it. All right. Actually, ironically, we have two copies. BMW Mini do that. I don't know why. So, base price, $31,900. This one here is a color. Where do they put the colors? Ah, here we go. Moonwalk gray over carbon black. This is the signature trim 2.0. Included content 2, 7-speed dual clutch, perfect heated steering wheel, Napa leather steering wheel, feels great. Interior surfaces in piano black exterior trim, roof rails, sports seats, LED headlights with cornering, lights pack, media display, mini connected, black sport stripes body, black sport stripes roof, piano black waistline trim for $37,050. Yeah, that's a lot of money, but this is a lot of car. Well, figuratively, not literally, because it's a pretty small car. Oh, I shut that off. I don't want to do that. Heated seats, heated wheel, button's gonna be on the side here. Do have sport displays active, now in full-on sport mode, which I wonder if they still have the fun. So minimalism, haha, minimalism, and then mid sport. It used to say let's motor hard. It was like let's motor and then changed with each one. It's kind of a shame they went away from that, but it is what it is. Every time I'm in a dual clutch, I realize how good these transmissions are. This is a German dual clutch, which, let's think about DSG, PDK. They're all some of the best dual clutches on the market. This one is no exception. I will say it gives you a kick in the back during full throttle upshifts, which is pretty cool. It's similar to the Aventador, but it's not nearly as violent. Pretty darn cool car. I'm gonna put it into mid and see if it still gives me that kick in the back or if that's a sport mode thing. Nope, still gives me the kick in the back. that Napa steering wheel makes this car feel so much higher quality than it really is. I mean, that one thing, because what you touch constantly during your drive, that one thing gives such a good impression. I will say those touch sensitive buttons are a little too close to the wheel for my liking. To the rim of the wheel, I should say, because mid corner I can definitely press it. I also have fat hands, so. Turbo spools up nice and quick. One thing that's gone, and I need to try a John Cooper Works to ensure this is the case, but I'm assuming it's due to European noise laws. The pops and bangs are gone. It's so sad. I loved that about these cars. You can still get a nice little blat on some upshifts, but the pops on decel are gone. And if they aren't gone, they are very, very muted. So an exhaust might open it up a little bit more. You can definitely tune these to do it, but I miss it coming from the factory like that. See, I did it again. I can see that being a problem for some people on autocross and stuff like that. They're gonna, at least that doesn't turn on cruise control. So all of a sudden you have the car accelerating when it really shouldn't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all, get the camera cover, in the next one.